western gate of Taj Mahal. Second gate you can see the symmetrical of this east gate of the Taj Mahal. South gate is the left side, right side, and the left side is the north gate. And the four gardens here, two gardens this side and two gardens that side. So this is the four courtyard area of the Taj Mahal. But in the Mughal dynastic time, these gate name is different. In that time, this is called Fatehpuri Begum Gate, first wife of the king. She was buried outside of this gate. That is why this is called Fatehpuri Begum Gate. Second wife of Shah Jahan, Khandari Begum, she was buried outside of the gate. That is why that is called Khandari Begum Gate. Third gate, that is the Lever Kalani Gate. 20,000 people was working in Taj Mahal. Those people was living behind of this gate. Okay, same descending to descending family is still living there. That is why that is called Worker Kalani Gate, the Lever Kalani Gate. Fourth gate, this is the north gate of Taj Mahal. This is called main entrance gate of Taj Mahal. Why? Because this gate have so many speciality. So the first beauty, height of this gate from bottom to top, 105 feet, about 35 meter. So in India, this is the third largest gate. First, Buland Darwaza, that is in Agra city. It is about 45 kilometers far away from here, one of the place. That is called Fatehpur Sikri. There is the one of largest gate. Second, India Gate in Delhi. And third of this. Second beauty guys, on the top we have smaller domes over there. 11 dome front side and 11 dome we have a back side. So 11 plus 11, 22. It means Taj Mahal was completed in took 22 years. Because in that time there was no calendar, no computer, no any technology. So how they have to calculate with the moon calendar? Each year complete, each dome, second year complete, second dome. Third beauty, you can see the writing three-sided border. Arabic language is there. That looks like a painting in color, but it is not color, not painting. These are all real precious and the semi-precious stones and little white marble. First they dig out the marble with a hammer and chisel. Then black, red, yellow, green, they paste it in the white marble. So these all the stones coming from different part of the country, different part of the world. How they bring these stones in that time? By ship. Here by horse, by camel, by elephant, because in that time there was no motor car. Okay, last things very important. Can you see the letter size in Arabic paragraph? The size of the font, it looks like a same size, but they are not in the same size of the letter. They are in the V shape like this. Look my finger. From the bottom, font are smaller. Then according to height, they increase it the size of the font. Why? To read easily and to look similar. If the same size of the letter from bottom to top, then top letter looks very smaller, so he couldn't read easily. That is why architecture did in a V shape. He was so clever. Smaller, bigger. I am talking about the size of the font. Those are like this, like prospector, right? Smaller, bigger. Because king wanted to read these paragraph of the Quran whenever he was come on the grave of her. Because king did this beautiful mausoleum after his wife death, right? In 1630 she died. After 1 year of her death, in 1631. because mud can absorb all dust, all the pollution. So they cannot use any color on the marble, no use any chemicals on the marble, just mud to clean that marble. Third thing, you can see the pinnacle on the top, just the black part on the top. That part, that is 10 meters, 30 feet. That time it was gold, right now it is brass. Why? Because after British ruler, they took a gold and they replaced it in the brass and put it there. So 400 kg gold they took away from this. Okay, now we are talking about the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is not a real name of this monument. Real name of Taj Mahal, Mumtaz Mahal. What is the meaning of the Mumtaz? Mum means beauty, Taj means crown, and the Mahal means palace. So this is the beautiful crown palace, Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, who's Mumtaz? Mumtaz was the third wife of the king, but that is also title name of her. Real name of Mumtaz, Anjuman Bano Begum. Shah Jahan gave her name of Mumtaz, meaning of the Mumtaz, you are my beautiful Taj. King Shah Jahan gave her name of Mumtaz. And Shah Jahan also title name of the king, real name of Shah Jahan, Khurram Shahabuddin. What is the meaning of the Shah Jahan? King of the world. Shah means king and Jahan means world. Right? So King Shah Jahan, he was the fifth Mughal emperor who built this beautiful Taj Mahal, memory of his wife Mumtaz. Mumtaz was the third wife of the king. Other two wives, first and second wife, Indian wife, he got arranged marriage with both them. Third wife, Mumtaz, she was a Persian from Iran, and he got love marriage with her. With the first and second wife, he don't have children. With the third wife, Mumtaz had a 14 children. How many? 14. 8 children died on the birth time, 6 was alive. In the 6 children, there was 2 daughters and 4 sons. Daughter named Roshanara, Jahanara, son named Shiza, Murad, Aurangzeb, Darashito. So Mumtaz also died on a birth time of 14 babies in India, in Burhanpur and MP, Madhya Pradesh. She was passed away during the birth time in 1630. After 1 year of her, in 1631, it was started and completed in 1653. 22 years. And 20,000 people was working in Taj Mahal, those people from India. There was 2 architecture. Ustad Ahmad Lahori from Lahore, Indian architecture, because Lahore was part of India. Second, Amanat Khan Shirazi from Shiraz in Iran. Okay, he was the second architecture. Why he chose this white color? White is a peace color, purity symbol of love. That is why King Shah Jahan chose this white marble from Makrana, Rajasthan city. One of the city in Rajasthan, that is 375 kilometers far away from here. Second question, guys, why